The humerus, the so funny bone. We are going to be walking through the humerus on this episode of Dr. Ryder Shows Us Stuff. We're going to start on the proximal end on the anterior view. So here you'll notice this large, smoothed area. That would be the head of the humerus. If you take your finger or probe and run it up and over to the lateral side, there's this big bump. That is the greater tubercle of the humerus. This bump here would be on the anterior surface is the lesser tubercle. So we have the head, the greater tubercle, and the lesser tubercle, and then we have this groove in between. This is known as the intertrabecular sulcus, or otherwise known as the bicipital groove. Now, on the humerus, we have two necks. We have the anatomical neck and the surgical neck. We're going to move down towards the distal end here. Here you can see we've got a couple different bumps. These are condyles, but these condyles have special names. So I'm going to raise it up so you can see the whole bone here. Up here, the head is always on the medial side. So down here, this bump right here that almost has a groove in it is on the medial side, and that is the trochlea. Over here, this more rounded one on the lateral side is the capitulum. So trochlea, capitulum. The trochlea also has a fossa directly above it, and that is called the coracoid fossa. Over here you have the medial epicondyle and then the lateral epicondyle. So we're going to flip this over to look at the posterior aspect on the distal side. There's this large fossa that is called the olecranon fossa. It's where the olecranon process goes when you straighten out the arm.